Reaching orgasm is one of the biggest problems in many marriages. Welcome to another special edition of Concern Room Talk Show. Today's discussion is intended for married couples and those preparing for marriage. Therefore, it could rightly be tagged 18 and for educational purposes, not intended to nullify scientific or professional counseling. This topic is one that many people avoid discussing, yet it has a significant impact on marital happiness. Some people have asked me to talk on the biggest mistake married couples make in bed. Questions such as how can husbands and wives build satisfying romantic relationship have been asked, and how can a husband better understand his wife's sexual response? Well, many marriages experience unnecessary frustration because couples are uninformed or uncomfortable discussing sexuality in their marriages. Healthy sexual intimacy is not just about physical pleasure, it is about love. It is about communication. It is about trust and mutual care one for another. So let us begin it this way. How can a husband experience healthy sexual satisfaction from his wife? Many people assume that satisfaction is just about sexual acts itself, but lasting satisfaction begins long before the bedroom. As a man, you must build emotional intimacy. A healthy sexual relationship is strengthened by a healthy emotional relationship. When a husband and wife communicate openly, resolve conflicts, show affection, spend quality time together, their physical relationship often improves as well. Two, as a man, you must avoid performance pressure. Some men become anxious about performing well. Anxiety itself can interfere with sexual functions, especially at older age. So rather than viewing intimacy as performance, see it as an opportunity to express love, affection, and closeness. Maintain good health. It is very, very crucial that you maintain good health. Exercise regularly, eat a balanced diet, get adequate sleep, manage chronic conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, and obesity. You must be able to manage all of these conditions. Then avoid excessive alcohol and smoking, which can contribute to erectile dysfunction. Learn about your wife. Every woman is different. Do not assume that what one woman enjoys is true for every woman. No, it is not always the same. Marriage is a lifelong journey of learning each other. Ask your wife questions respectfully. Listen to your wife's preferences. Healthy sexual intimacy involves mutual understanding. How can a woman reach orgasm? First, let's understand something very important and crucial. Orgasm is not the only measure of a satisfying sexual relationship. Many women value emotional closeness. They value affection, feelings desired, and mutual enjoyment. However, Orgasm is a normal part of sexual response for many women, and husbands should care about their wives' experience, not just their own. Emotional safety matters greatly. Many women respond best when they feel emotionally secure, when they feel loved, when they feel respected and relaxed. Stress, unresolved conflicts, fear, or resentment can reduce sexual enjoyment. For many women, sexual satisfaction begins with emotional connection. Communication is essential. Many couples never talk about sexual satisfaction. A husband should be willing to ask, how do you feel? What help you need, to make this enjoyable? What helps you feel comfortable? Is there anything we can do to improve this sexual union together? These are questions that are crucial. Likewise, wives should feel very free to communicate honestly and kindly about their needs, about their sexual needs. Good communication reduces misunderstanding and builds trust. One, we must talk about patience, that it is very, very important. Many women, need more than just that sexual act. Many women need more time to become fully relaxed and responsive. And so you must walk along with them. Husband, as a husband who is patient and attentive is more likely to help his wife have a satisfying sexual experience. Now, there are certain challenges that we must look at. There are certain challenges that we must look at. Don't ignore medical or emotional challenge. You must not ignore it. Sometimes difficulty reaching orgasm is related to hormonal changes, medication, stress, depression, anxiety can also cause it. Past trauma, the experience you had before that was not palatable can cause it, or certain medical conditions. If these challenges persist, couples should not feel embarrassed to seek help from qualified healthcare professionals. It could be one of the reasons why a woman may not reach orgasm. Common mistakes couple make. Mistake number one, assuming intimacy should happen naturally without communication. That's mistake number one. Healthy intimacy is learned over time. Mistake number two, thinking only one partner's satisfaction matters. No, that's a wrong concept. Well, marriage is about mutual care, and so you must care for your wife as well as the wife cares for the husband. Mistake number three, avoiding conversation because of embarrassment. It's a great mistake. But silence creates more misunderstanding. Silence creates more misunderstanding. So while a respectful communication creates growth, silence creates, distance. Mistake number four, longing to know your partner, but you ignore persistent problems. Sexual concerns are often treatable. Seeking help is a sign of wisdom, not a sign of weakness. Now, let us illustrate this in this way. Imagine two people learning to dance. Neither become excellent overnight. No, they improve by listening, practicing, adjusting, encouraging one another, and so they become perfect. Reaching orgasm in marriage is similar. It is not about perfection, it is about learning your partner with love and patience. You must learn your partner with love and patience. In concluding this episode, let me conclude with these thoughts. While techniques may offer satisfaction, reaching orgasm in relationship is not built on techniques alone. It's not built on techniques alone. It's not built on position alone. So many things are involved. It is built on love. It is built on trust. It is built on communication. It is built on patience, mutual respect, and a willingness to learn. To the husband, care about your wife's experience as much as your own. You may need to ask her how she likes it. Tell her how you want it or how you like it done too. To the wife, communicate your needs honestly and graciously with your husband. He is your husband. Tell him how you like it because you are now one. No need to be ashamed. God gave it to you for enjoyment and it should be enjoyed to the maximum. To everyone, married couples who are listening to this, remember that sexual satisfaction is one of God's gifts to strengthen bond and unity in marriage. Therefore, protect it, nurture it, talk about it respectfully, and grow together in it. You will learn to know yourself and satisfy one another. Because the happiest marriages are not those without challenges. There are marriages where the husband's sexual acts and his wife and the wife's sexual acts with her husband is one of a continuous learning, loving, serving one another, and with a thoughtful life. I want to thank you for joining us on Concern Room Talk Show. Kindly hit the subscription button, ask questions, and comments where necessary. I'm Dr. Imo Enahatapa saying, stay tuned and stay committed to your relationship because we have more relationship matters to discuss. God bless you.